Welcome to another exciting episode of Bonding Through Numbers. I'm your host, Matthew Clifford. Today we're diving into a delightful topic that combines two of my passions, mathematics and nature. This episode is all about discovering the enchanting intersection of math and nature, specifically through DIY projects that inspire learning geometry. If you're a father looking for meaningful ways to bond with your kids while encouraging their love for mathematics, you're in the right place. Let's explore how simple, hands-on crafts using natural materials can create captivating geometric shapes that spark both curiosity and creativity. Let's start by understanding the concept of combining math with nature for hands-on learning. Mathematics, especially geometry, is not just confined to textbooks and classrooms. It's all around us, from the symmetry of leaves to the intricate patterns in seashells. Exploring math through nature crafts allows children to see mathematics as a tangible, integral part of their world. By taking concepts from geometry and applying them creatively outdoors, kids can have a richer, more engaging learning experience. This approach not only aids their mathematical understanding, but also nurtures their appreciation for the beauty in nature. Understanding the importance of geometry in everyday life is crucial. Geometry is everywhere. It's in the design of our homes, the planning of roads, even in the way we organize our gardens. Recognizing this can make learning more relevant to children, showing them the practical side of what they are studying. Moreover, learning geometry enhances their ability to think critically and solve problems. This is why incorporating geometry into fun activities is such a great idea. It makes learning relevant and practical, supporting children's education in a holistic way. Now let's look at some simple geometric shapes that can be created using natural materials. The possibilities are nearly endless, but a good starting point can include triangles, rectangles, hexagons, and circles. Leaves, sticks, stones, and pine cones are excellent materials for creating these shapes. For example, you could build a triangle using 3 equally sized sticks, or align stones in a circle. These activities offer children a concrete understanding of abstract concepts, which is often much more effective than mere verbal explanations. Here's a step-by-step guide for crafting projects using these materials. Gather several sticks, some leaves, and a handful of stones. Start with a simple task, building a triangle. Cut sticks to the same length or find 3 that are similar in size. Lay them out to form a triangle, discussing the properties of this shape as you go along. Next, try a rectangle using 4 sticks, and so on. As the shapes become more complex, like hexagons or circles, the crafting process becomes even more engaging and challenging. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but exploration and bonding. Engaging children in the crafting process is key to making this activity enjoyable. Allow them to choose the materials, decide on the shapes, and even lead the discussion about each shape's properties. This ownership creates enthusiasm and a sense of accomplishment. Encourage their creativity by asking questions like, "What other shapes can we make?" Or, "How can we make this shape look more interesting?" These prompts help them to explore their ideas and translate their visions into reality. After crafting, extend the learning through discussion. Talk about where you've seen these shapes in nature or architecture. Explore angles and patterns found in the environment around you. Discuss symmetry by comparing the sides of leaves or the sections of fruit. Relating these back to your crafting project helps children realize the practicality of geometry. It's also an excellent opportunity to teach them how to identify and think about math concepts in their daily surroundings. Sharing personal anecdotes can illustrate the joy of these activities. For instance, I once spent hours with my daughter creating a leaf collage in the shape of a giant hexagon. Not only did we end up with a lovely piece of art, but we also learned a great deal about hexagons and their properties. Little moments like these create lasting memories and highlight how learning can be both fun and meaningful when approached creatively. A quick note on post-craft cleanup. Transform it into a learning activity too. Assign each child a cleanup task based on mathematical concepts, perhaps lining up materials from smallest to largest, or counting items as they return them to their places. Incorporating math thinking into everyday conversations reinforces learning in subtle, effective ways. This promotes a mindset where math is a consistent presence, not just a school subject. Finally, I encourage you to record and share your creations. Capture pictures or create videos to celebrate your achievements. Posting these on family or classroom blogs can foster a child's interest in geometry and encourage further exploration. Celebrating these small victories highlights math as a source of enjoyment and curiosity. Plus, it shows children that their efforts are valued and their learning journey is appreciated. That's all for our episode today. Thank you for joining us on Bonding Through Numbers. We've explored how math and nature crafts can enrich family bonding time and enhance children's problem-solving skills. I hope you've discovered some new ideas to incorporate into your post-dinner activities with your kids. Remember, it's not just about teaching geometry, it's about making memories and sharing joy in the learning process. I'm Matthew Clifford, wishing you countless evenings filled with discovery and laughter. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes filled with tips and inspiration for creating unforgettable father-kids moments through math. See you next time.